What's up, guys? It's your girl, her gym under construction, and I'm back with another freaking video. Okay, let's get it.
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
All right, y'all, so she is like really bent on being in the video, so she will be in today's story time. And today I'm going to tell you guys the story about how stop, baby, you kicking the thing. I want to tell you guys how I was getting the COVID test. Okay,
cause I eat my food.
what we talking about? We not even talking about that. We not talking about you eating your food. Stop kicking the thing. All right, so like I stated to you guys in the last video, September 25th, we went to go get the COVID test.
Yeah.
During the COVID test, y'all, and I will put the clip of me getting my test in here. Go to it right now. And I had a question. So how will we get our results? Because we have to fax it to our job.
All right, so we are going to call you either way with the results, negative or positive, and then if you need to come and get them, we can make a copy and you can come get them.
Okay.
Okay? All right, honey. All right.
Oh my God, I'm fucking scared.
What's your name, honey?
Jamika Gary.
Jamika?
Mm-hmm. I don't think I'm gonna like this. I ain't gonna like this, is it? I don't think I'm gonna like this.
That's my second time doing it this year. Oh my God.
I don't think I'm gonna like this at all.
Not bad.
I think when I had the flu one, it was worse than
I'm just hold my head back.
yeah, put it in.
Each nostril, ready?
Ah!
Sorry.
Oh!
Sorry, honey.
Oh!
Sit tight. And then come out. I didn't realize it was raining.
Yeah, we sorry about that. It was raining.
Okay. Here you go. They'll be out in a sec.
Okay, thank you. Hell no, I ain't like that. So, as you guys saw, I got my test. The test for me hurt. It felt like they were going all the way up to my brain. I didn't really like it. I don't see how people just keep getting the test for precautionary measures. I'm sorry, I just couldn't do it. So we got the test. She had got her test at her pediatrician's office. I didn't get a video of that because my baby was in distress.
My food.
We're not talking about food. My baby was in distress, so I did not film her when she got her COVID test.
I got my COVID test.
Yeah, you got your COVID test when you were sick.
Oh.
Go get me something to clean your nose, baby.
Okay. Clear my nose.
Yes. Okay. So,
I want from my house.
no, baby. We're going to do it at another video. Go do what I asked you to, please. Thank you. So, anywho, yeah, y'all gonna hear her back there playing, whatever, because I'm in her room. Okay, so basically, like, the COVID test was just, it was quick, but it just, I don't know, I just felt like they were just all the way up to my nose. It burned. So basically, that was my experience getting my COVID test. After I got my COVID test, that's when my car stopped working. My battery died, so we had to stay out there for like another hour to get my car jumped so we can come home. So after that, that's when I started really having trouble with my car. I know I kind of touched on it in the last video, but in the last story time. But yeah, so what happened with my car is my battery died, and I was without my car for like 3 weeks. That was like the hardest thing. Like, I was without my car for so long, and on top of that, I started my new job in between my car dying. Shout out to my dad. When I say my dad, I mean my biological father. Shout out to him, because he the one who helped me get my battery for my car. And then the day that I woke up, mind you, I was starting my car and it was working, it was starting up. But this particular day, I cannot think of the day, but it was like the weekend when I was still in training for my job. So during my training with my job, I was working Monday through Friday, off weekend. So it was a weekend. I wanted to go do DoorDash or whatever. So my goal was to get up, start my car up, take it to AutoZone so they could put a battery in it. Woo woo. Girls, fellas, let me tell y'all, it didn't even happen like that. I woke up and I could not start my car whatsoever. I couldn't start it up whatsoever. I had my battery, all that. I just could not start my car. So I waited all day. All day. I had to wait for somebody. I kept calling around and nobody was available to come. What? Nobody was available to come put the battery in my car. But I needed it because, of course, my daughter, like, I wanted us to have a car to ride in. Like, granted, I don't think she was with me that day, but I wanted my car. Like, I just wanted my car. Like, that's all that I wanted was my car. So, long story short, I had a friend who was in training with me. She ended up calling her brother. Mind you, she's out of town on vacation for like a weekend or whatever. She went to go see her parents. I mean, when I tell you, he was right there. Like, he came, he was like, yeah, I'm off, sis. You know, if you my sister people, you my people too, little sis. I'm coming, I got you. And I was like, for real? We just met today and you got me? Like, I could have cried. Like, come on now. Somebody else. Not even my family. Somebody else came, stopped what they was on their off day to come help me. Then he was so modest that I was trying to pay him. For the service and everything. He did not want to take the money. I offered him, the first amount that I offered him was $90. He was like, woo, 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 girl, you bugging, you tripping. You tripping $90 just to take the bolts off your thing? I'm like, yeah, because these car people, they really be bugging. Like, they really be bugging on the prices. He was like, no, whoever you was getting, they bogus because it don't even cost that much. Cool, that's all you had to tell me. But please take this money because you did a service. You don't know me from a can of paint. You just came to help me on the strength of your sister. So I'm like, please, please, please take this money, you know. He was like, nah. I was like, all right, $50. At least take the $50. You came here on your off day. You ain't had to do no work today. He work on cars when he off. But still, you didn't have to. You was at home chilling, doing what you doing. You know, drinking a little yak or something. Whatever you was doing, that's what you was doing. Anywho, but back to the video. So yeah. I was just like, no, Johnny, get off of it. So I was just like, please, just take you the $50. Go get you something to eat. Go get you a bottle or something and chill for your off day. Like, son, what are you saying? So then finally he was just like, girl, you just not gonna let me leave this parking lot. No, sir, I'm not. I'm not gonna let you leave this parking lot without taking this money. Because you did a service, you provided a service, and I'm all about mine. Like, I pay. If somebody is doing a service for me, I will pay them to do that service. So yes, what are you saying? So he finally took it. We was like, okay, you know, he was like, if you ever needed, you in the jam or you ever need anything again, please call or whatever. I was like, period. I'm with it. Like, I got you. So that was my story of my COVID test and my car breaking down, all that stuff. Like, that's basically what happened.
Mommy.
between September 25th and 3 weeks. Like, but next story time gonna be crazy because I told y'all the job was playing with my money, and like for real, I still don't feel like I even got my last check. But it is what it is. I probably did, and it just the tax just ate that bit. But who knows? But anywho, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Right now it is December 2nd, so it's Vlogmas Day 2, and I already put out a video for today. This is gonna be Vlogmas Day 3, and so I'll catch you guys later. Like, I'm just gonna be trying to like push out these videos for y'all. I hope you guys are loving the content. Thank you guys for rocking with me. Please subscribe. Y'all, please subscribe, okay? You know, just come follow your girl. If you haven't already, go please follow the family channel. I got some bangers coming over there as well. And y'all be easy. I'm still gonna be under construction because your girl, you know, trying to fix herself up. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.